Cybertruck dream turned nightmare? The Cybertruck. It was unveiled with much fanfare, a vehicle that seemed to leap straight out of a sci-fi movie. It looked like something out of Blade Runner with its sharp angles and stainless steel body. It was a vision of the future, a promise of what was to come. Elon Musk promised us the future. He stood on stage, confident and charismatic, painting a picture of a world where the Cybertruck was the king of the road. A truck that was bulletproof, futuristic, and could run circles around the competition. It was supposed to be indestructible, a marvel of engineering. Pre-orders flooded in with people eager to be part of this new era. People waited, wallets open, for their chance to own this beast. The excitement was palpable, the anticipation building with each passing day. Fast forward to today, and things aren't looking so rosy for the Cybertruck. The dream has hit some serious roadblocks. Production delays, unexpected problems, and now, a massive recall. The issues seem to be piling up, one after another. What was supposed to be Tesla's victory lap feels more like a slow crawl through mud. The once bright future now seems uncertain. This isn't just a bump in the road, it's a full-blown crisis. What happened? How did a dream turn into a nightmare? The answers are complex, involving supply chain issues, engineering challenges, and perhaps even overambitious promises. The road ahead for the Cybertruck is fraught with challenges, and only time will tell if it can overcome them. From day one, the Cybertruck was ambitious. Its stainless steel body, while tough, was a nightmare to manufacture. Welding? Forget about it. Traditional car-making techniques went out the window. Then came the issue of scale. Tesla wanted to build a lot of Cybertrucks, but ramping up production to meet demand proved much harder than they thought. The more trucks they tried to make, the more problems popped up. Quality control became a major headache. The rumors were swirling for months, whispers of issues behind the scenes at Tesla. Then came the announcement: Cybertruck production halted. The reason? They weren't ready. Turns out those production problems were worse than anyone imagined. The futuristic design, the one that wowed everyone, was proving to be their downfall. Getting it right was taking too long and costing too much. Something had to change. Section 4. Recall hits Cybertruck. What went wrong? Just as Tesla was trying to get production back on track, disaster struck. A massive recall hit the Cybertruck. The culprit? Faulty parts in the braking system. Yeah, you read that right. The brakes. This wasn't just a minor glitch, this was a major safety concern, one that could put drivers at risk. Tesla had no choice but to issue a recall, forcing them to fix the problem before any more Cybertrucks could hit the road. Section 5. Dented reputation, the fallout for Tesla. The recall was a punch to the gut for Tesla. Their reputation, built on innovation and pushing boundaries, was taking a beating. Customers who once couldn't wait for their Cybertruck were now having second thoughts. The media was having a field day. Headlines screamed about the Cybertruck's curse. Social media was flooded with memes and jokes at Tesla's expense. The shine was coming off, and Tesla was feeling the heat. Section 6. What does the future hold for the Cybertruck? So, what now? The Cybertruck, with its bold design and futuristic appeal, has captured the imagination of many. But recent setbacks have left people wondering about its future. Can the Cybertruck recover from this? The initial excitement has been dampened by reports of production delays and technical issues. These challenges have raised questions about the vehicle's reliability and Tesla's ability to deliver on its promises. Elon Musk, never one to back down from a challenge, insists that it can. He remains confident that the Cybertruck will overcome these hurdles. Musk's vision for the Cybertruck is unwavering, and he believes that with the right adjustments, it can still revolutionize the automotive industry. He promises that the issues will be fixed, and that the vehicle will meet the high standards expected by consumers. Tesla's engineering team is working tirelessly to address the problems and ensure that the Cybertruck lives up to its potential, and that the Cybertruck will still be the revolutionary vehicle he envisioned. The unique design and advanced technology of the Cybertruck continue to attract attention, and many still believe in its potential to change the way we think about electric vehicles. But the road ahead is uncertain. The automotive market is highly competitive, and the Cybertruck faces stiff competition from other electric vehicles. Additionally, consumer trust needs to be rebuilt. Tesla has a lot of work to do to regain the trust of its customers and investors. The company must demonstrate that it can deliver a reliable product and address any concerns that have arisen. This will be crucial for the Cybertruck's success. The Cybertruck, once a symbol of the future, still holds promise. Its innovative design and potential for sustainability make it a vehicle worth watching. However, it must overcome its current challenges to fulfill its promise. It is now a reminder that even the most ambitious projects can hit serious roadblocks. The journey of the Cybertruck serves as a lesson in the complexities of innovation and the importance of resilience in the face of adversity. Only time will tell if the Cybertruck can rise above its challenges and become the groundbreaking vehicle it was meant to be. Section 7. The impact on Tesla customers, hope or heartbreak. The unveiling of the Cybertruck was nothing short of a spectacle. With its futuristic design and bold promises, it captured the imagination of many. But as time goes on, the initial excitement has given way to a mix of emotions. For the hundreds of thousands of people who put down money for a Cybertruck, it's a waiting game. They stood in long lines, eagerly placing their deposits, driven by the hope of owning a piece of automotive history. Each reservation was a vote of confidence in Tesla's vision and Elon Musk's leadership. Some remain optimistic, their faith in Elon Musk unshaken. They believe in the company's track record of innovation and disruption. For these loyal fans, the wait is just a small price to pay for what they see as a revolutionary vehicle. They gather at events, share their excitement on social media, and keep the faith alive. Others are starting to lose hope, wondering if they'll ever get their hands on the truck they were promised. The delays and lack of clear communication have left some feeling frustrated and disillusioned. They check their orders online, hoping for updates, but often find themselves questioning if the Cybertruck will ever become a reality. One thing's for sure, the Cybertruck saga is far from over. The vehicle has become a symbol of both hope and uncertainty. As production challenges and market dynamics continue to evolve, the future of the Cybertruck remains a topic of intense speculation. Whether it ends in triumph or tragedy remains to be seen. The automotive industry is no stranger to bold claims and ambitious projects, but not all of them come to fruition. The Cybertruck's journey is a testament to the highs and lows of innovation. But one thing's for sure, it's a story that's captivating the world, and leaving everyone wondering what's next. From news headlines to social media debates, the Cybertruck continues to be a focal point of discussion. Its impact on Tesla customers, and the automotive industry at large, is undeniable. As we watch this story unfold, we can't help but ask ourselves, will it be a tale of hope or heartbreak?